Jai Hind. This is IIEBM, Indus Business School, Pune, and I have so much to tell you about my college. Come, let me take you on a journey. This is not just any college, this is the future most of us once only dreamed about. A place that makes us cooperate, better feel ready. Today, we proudly celebrate the 26th Founders Day of an institution that believes education is not just about degree but about direction. IIEBM Indus Business School is globally connected through academic and industry collaborations with Harvard Business School, SAP University, CRISIL, KPMG, IBM, and many more. Here, learning goes beyond textbooks. We are trained to think, decide, and perform like future corporate leaders. At IIEBM, student life is shaped by discipline, strengthened by professionalism, guided by patriotism, and rooted in strong national values. We don't just learn how to succeed in the corporate world, we learn how to contribute meaningfully to the nation. And when it comes to results, IIEBM speaks with confidence. With the highest placement package of 34 lakhs, our placement record reflects the trust that leading organization placed in IIEBM talent, because here excellence is not an exception. It's a culture. Our journey continues through world-class infrastructure, modern classrooms. Welcome to our auditorium with a sitting capacity of more than 500 students, a space where ideas are shared, voices are heard, and leaders are shaped. A resource-rich library and highly skilled faculty members who mentor us at every step through interactive session, industry-driven Bodhan session, and experiential learning. We are prepared for real-world challenges long before we face them. But life at IIBM is not limited to classrooms alone. From the energy of Parakram to the enthusiasm of Eventia, from sports events to cultural and festive celebrations, every experience here teaches us teamwork, leadership, and resilience. Our clubs and committees empower students to take charge, to lead from the front, and to turn ideas into action, just like the corporate world expects us to. Every institute has a story. Now, let's take you where it all started. In the year 2000, IIEBM started its journey with just 30 students operating from a rental building, driven by the vision of Colonel Vinod Marwa, an army veteran. What begins with limited resources was powered by limitless beliefs. In 2005, that dream took shape as IIEBM moved into its own dedicated campus. The institute received approval from AICTE and the Ministry of HRD, marking a major milestone in its growth. IIEBM introduced future-focused specialization in business analytics, operation and supply chain management, and SAP. Another great milestone was achieved by launching ERP SAP program, aligning education with global standards. IIEBM continues to evolve with a clear focus on industry relevance, innovation, and student success, from a small beginning to a powerful legacy. Today, IIEBM proudly stands with a global alumni network of over 10,000 professionals spread across industry and country around the world. Our alumni don't just build career, they carry forward the values and vision of IIEBM wherever they go. With clarity, confidence, and commitment, IIEBM now moves towards its next milestone to become a university by the year 2030, a future defined by innovation, excellence, and global impact. As we celebrate 26th year of this incredible journey, we express our deepest gratitude to everyone who has been a part of it, to our visionary founder, to our dedicated faculty, to our vibrant students, our inspiring alumni, and our supportive cooperative partners. The story belongs to all of you. This is
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी। दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।